I used to waste 2 hours every morning just figuring out what to do. My calendar was chaos. I forgot important tasks and I constantly felt overwhelmed. Diane discovered how to use AI to plan my entire day in less than 5 minutes. Today I'm showing you exactly how I do it, step by step. Every morning at 7 a.m., I open Claude and start with one simple prompt. This AI planning system has completely changed how I organize my life. Here's my exact morning prompt. I type, I need to plan my day. I have a team meeting at 10 a.m., need to finish a project report by 5 p.m., want to exercise for 30 minutes, and grocery shopping. Create an optimized schedule for today with time blocks. In literally 10 seconds, Claude gives me a complete time blocked schedule. Look at this: 7:30 to 8 a.m. breakfast and morning routine, 8 to 9:30 a.m. deep work on the project report when my energy is highest, 9:30 to 10 a.m. email and preparation for the meeting, 10 to 11 a.m. team meeting, 11 to 12:30 p.m. finish the project report, 12:30 to 1 and 30 p.m. lunch break, 1:30 to 2 p.m. grocery shopping, 2 to 3 p.m. administrative tasks and emails, 3 to 3:30 p.m. exercise, 3:30 to 5 p.m. buffer time and review. The AI automatically puts my most important tasks, the project report, in the morning when I have peak focus. It splits it into 2 sessions with a break. It schedules exercise after lunch when I usually feel sluggish. This is intelligent planning I would never think of myself. But here's where it gets really powerful. I take that project report task and ask Claude to break it down. I write, I need to finish a quarterly sales report. Break this into specific action steps with time estimates. Look at this breakdown. Step 1: gather sales data from the CRM system, 15 minutes. Step 2: create data visualizations and charts, 30 minutes. Step 3: write executive summary highlighting key metrics, 25 minutes. Step 4: draft analysis of trends and patterns, 40 minutes. Step 5: proofread and format the document, 20 minutes. Total time 2 hours and 10 minutes. This is amazing because I'm not staring at this huge, overwhelming task. I have 5 concrete steps. I know exactly what to do first, second, and third. And I know it fits perfectly in my schedule. I can even ask for more detail. I type what specific metrics should I include in the executive summary. And Claude tells me revenue growth percentage, top performing products, regional performance comparison, customer acquisition cost, and quarterly targets versus actual results. Now I have a complete roadmap. No more decision fatigue. No more wondering if I am forgetting something important. Here is the real test. At 9 a.m., my boss sends an urgent email. There is a client presentation at 2 p.m., and I need to prepare slides. My perfect schedule is destroyed, right? Wrong. I go back to Claude and update it. My schedule changed. I now have a client presentation at 2 p.m. and I need 1 hour to prepare slides. I still must finish the sales report by 5 p.m. and do grocery shopping. Reschedule my day. In 5 seconds, I have a new plan. 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. prepare presentation slides. 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. work on sales report first session focusing on data gathering and visualizations. 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. finish reports, analysis, and summary. 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. lunch. 1:30 to 2 p.m. review presentation slides. 2 to 3 p.m. client presentation. 3 to 4 p.m. Final review and submit sales report. 4 to 4:30 p.m. quick grocery shopping. Notice how Claude compressed my tasks, removed the exercise for today, moved grocery shopping to later, and kept my most critical deadline, the 5 p.m. report. It made intelligent trade-offs I might not think of when I'm stressed. I can even ask, what should I cut if I'm running behind? Claude suggests, if you are behind schedule, grocery shopping is the lowest priority and can be moved to tomorrow. Use a delivery service for tonight instead. Every Sunday evening, I do weekly planning with AI. This takes my productivity to another level. I pass this prompt. Help me plan next week. My goals are finish the marketing proposal by Wednesday, attend 5 client meetings, exercise 4 times, complete online course module, and prepare for Friday's team presentation. Create a weekly schedule with daily priorities. Claude gives me a day-by-day plan. Monday, focus on marketing proposal outline and research, 3 hours. Client meeting at 2 p.m. Exercise at 6 p.m. Tuesday, draft marketing proposal 4 hours. Client meeting at 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Wednesday, finalize and submit marketing proposal by noon. Online course module in the afternoon, 2 hours. Exercise at 6 p.m. Thursday, start preparing Friday presentation. Create slides, 3 hours. Client meeting at 11 a.m. Friday, review presentation in the morning. Client meeting at 9 a.m. Team presentation at 2 p.m. Wrap up week and plan next week. Exercise at 6 p.m. See how the AI distributes everything? The marketing proposal gets 3 days with increasing intensity. Exercise is scheduled 4 times on specific days. Meetings are acknowledged, but other work is planned around them. This is a complete system. Here are my 3 bonus tips for AI daily planning. Tip number 1. Tell the AI your energy patterns. I add to my prompts, I have high energy from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and low energy from 1 to 3 p.m. Now Claude schedules deep work in the morning and easy tasks after lunch. Tip number 2. Ask for motivation and focus strategies. I type, I am procrastinating on the sales report. Give me strategies to start. Claude suggests use 2-minute rule. Just open the document and write 1 sentence. Set a timer for 25 minutes and commit to focused work. Break it into the smallest first step. Just gather the data files. Tip number 3. Use AI for end-of-day reflection. I ask, I completed the sales report and presentation, but I missed exercise and grocery shopping. Analyze my day and suggest improvements. Claude tells me I overcommitted. Should build in buffer time and maybe schedule exercise in the morning when it's less likely to be skipped. This AI planning system saves me 10 hours every week. I'm less stressed, more productive, and I actually accomplish what I set out to do. The best part? It's completely free to start. Just go to Claude AI and try the prompts I showed you today. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate a like. It helps more people discover these AI productivity techniques. And subscribe, because I'm sharing more AI tools that actually save time and make life easier. Not hype, just practical systems that work. Drop a comment telling me what you are planning to use AI for. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.